Hello guys, today we solve the fourth question of our LeetCode problem solving journey in C++ and that question is 27. Remove element given an integer array nums and an integer value. Our array's name is nums and integer's name is value. You see an example nums and val. Remove all occurrences of val and nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to 12. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to 12 decay. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k element of nums contain the elements which are not equal to 12. The remaining element of nums are not important as well as the size of nums and return k. They give custom judge and that useful for a solution. If all assertions pass, then new solution will be accepted. In this question, they give me one array nums and one integer value, and that well variable is the well variable's value remove in array and give output of total numbers uh, you see 3 2 2 3 and well 3. We remove three numbers and output is 2 and that array is 2 and 2 and second index and third index are empty because that remove in this array. And second example, nums 01223042 value is equals to 2. You see output is 5 01403 and you see value is equals to 2 and 2 remove in this array and 5 output of our total numbers in array. We use a k variable in this array and we use a for loop and if condition for the output. Now we solve this question. First of all, I create one variable and that is k and that value is 0. Now I run one for loop for int I is equals to 0 and I less than nums dot size and new increment I plus plus. Now I give one condition if nums of I is not equals to well and that the condition is true and that follow nums of k plus plus and is equals to nums of I and last return k that say in the condition return k. Now that understand answer. First of all, I give k is equals to 0 and next I start for loop and give condition. Nums of I does not equals to value. That condition is true and that run nums of k plus plus is equals to nums of I. Now you see example 1. Our zeroth index is 3 and 3 is equals to not equals to value. That's why that condition is false and k is not increment and you see first index that is 2 and 2 is does not equals to 3. That's why k is increment. You see k is equals to 0 and nums k plus plus. That condition is true and k convert in 0 to 1 and in last return k. In one second index you see 2 is not equals to 3. That's why k once one more time increment and you see third index in third index 3 is equals to value uh, and that's why k is does not increment and k's answer is 2. Now check it. You see both cases are accepted. Now submit. You see, first question's answer is submitted.